unboxing video today of the new 3D printer. We have this amazing box full of goodness, and we're gonna unbox it right now. So first off, we have
another box.
Okay, yep. Just circle through the elevator maybe for it.
I'll
Yes.
hold it. So inside this box,
Not much filament.
look, a quick start guide. Okay, we have a couple of cool things here. We have the extruder, the smart extruder, very important. We have a roll of gray filament and a little multi we have in the box. We have
more
some
box.
packing material, which we will save in case we ever have to have any
Deep haul
maintenance
with
done. And we have a big bag that we just need to take out in here. Wait, one more thought.
There's pocket knives for second too.
Oh, we have the MakerBot
That almost looks
replicator.
The what bot?
We have
Oh,
the
the
MakerBot
MakerBot,
replicator
okay.
plus. Paula's gonna lift it out carefully,
And not break it.
set it on top.
Oh, wait, there's more packing. More packing.
Laptop.
I don't know how these come out. Oh, they just lift up. So we've got some little orange pieces that are connected to the belt on the gantry. And then we have the orange pieces on the Z plate that have to come off. Unpack the extruder. Close up, extreme close up. And then there's some tape that's gotta come off of this guy. So this is basically like a hot glue gun And-
really high temperature hot glue
and a
gun
really expensive hot glue gun.
that would literally just burn your fingers off if you touched it.
It gets to
Don't touch it.
215 degrees Celsius.
Touch it.
So you go,
All right, so now we got everything unpacked. It's pretty sweet. We have this nice little cart that has a pull-out computer tray. And we've already set up the MakerBot software on the computer.
It's just saying.
yeah, that just saying.
It also makes that sound when it's got a print is finished. It'll do like doo-doo-doo-doo-doo-doo. Nice.
That's when you have to have the specific filament to go on those reels.
Yeah, we're
Unless
gonna
you want
recommend that
to-
people can't do that probably.
Unless you want to, feed the filament onto the reel yourself.
That would not be advisable because it's like 3-hour print. It's like you couldn't spool it through. Okay. Oh shoot! It didn't do the setup.
I have a question.
We need to-
Unhook the string first
No,
before we snap
no,
it in.
no.
Yes, because otherwise.
No, it's going in the wrong.
There we go.
Leave it going around because it unwinds like crazy, and then it'll.
And then spin it around and it goes
Yes.
into here.
That's gonna hurt this little guy.
I feel.
Or don't give it slack, but give it some pressure so it doesn't unwind. You need to go, wait, pull up some more. Should start feeding it through its own.
I'm
Try
feeding
putting
the
this
extruder
down.
first.
Yeah.
Try putting this down.
Stop. Is there a latch?
Yeah. So if you pull that, if you pop that out, and you just gotta make sure it's down all the way. One of the things we need to get with this is some tools, something to cut the filament with, because you can take that whole thing
get
out
your
and it's
fingers
flexible.
anywhere close to the
I know, I was pulling the string off.
nozzle.
C215 target.
Yeah.
It's gonna start loading it and then just let it go.
Alright.
If we go back to that video, Begin to extrude. Wait, filament is not extruding yet.
It is.
Begin test
okay.
print.
Got it.
I don't know what the
Begin
test
test
print
print.
is.
Oh, it's
We're
gonna make the
printing a
chain.
chain.
Mhm. Let me.
My brother always thought that was really cool. A moving chain. Its first build. Can't actually make it a circle though, but still, pretty cool.